With every morning light that breaks, a brand new path for us to take. With every step on sand and ground, stories of the world are found. The wind it touches on my skin
Alang cute!
reminds me where the journey begins. My heart is free and ready to roam, to find the beauty far from home. Footsteps on the riches of the world, mountains, oceans, clouds unfurl. Every view is calling out to me, to hear the voice of beauty free.
It's 98077.
Kumakagat naman.
Ang malakas?
Mami,
Parang ano? Sa bukid ng trala. Bukid ng easy. Kala ko, may kain ng katubig.
Bro, sunod kayo bro, iikot kami.
Sa bundok mo pa rin ako.
Siyempre.
Ano ba?
Asmir tayo. Asmir. Mga 1 minute.
Sir, masin na public market tayo.
Yes, sir.
Copy.
Mabilis ka na ganyan, ma'am. Bilang kabisado, ani. Asbir na naman.
Ba't wala kang lipstick, ma'am?
Hello po. Thank you po. Bukas pa.
Punta nyo na lang yung mga nakamotor, sir.
Copy.
Dito ka. Natanggal. Ano tawag dito?
Ay,
Ano yan?
sidebar.
Galing mo, B. Kaya mo yan.
pancake allowance ni Willing.
Cute. Thank you. Come together.
Vlogger, nagba-vlogger.
Thank you. Ay, ang ganda. May pagka parang green na ano, yung color. Paano to gamitin? Paano to gamitin?
Sige, turuan ka na. Clap ka muna. Siri.
Ang ganda. Thank you. Qampaholiks and Come Together and One episodes. Thank you po sa inyong lahat.
With every morning light that breaks, a brand new path for us to take. With every step on sand and ground, stories of the world are found. The wind that touches on my skin reminds me where the journey begins. My heart is free and ready to roam, find the beauty far from home. Footsteps on the riches of the world, mountains, oceans, clouds unfurled. Every view is calling out to me to hear the voice of beauty free. Footsteps on the riches of the earth, in the dark or in the light of birth. Come on, let's journey, let us see the wealth of our world, you and me. Beneath the clouds of softest white, there is silence in the morning light. The stars above will act as guides for a heart where victory abides. Every drop of rain upon the street, the story of hope when we meet. Every footprint that we leave behind, sign of love that is undefined.
Huwag kumiyano yung muscle memory mo dyan.
Sinubunan po. Ganon, para walang ngipin. Ganon, para walang ngipin. Para walang ngipin kasama. Ganon ba? Tapos si Sir, mamamatay na kakatawa. Uy, gagi, naka-record. 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 Hi guys, tignan nyo guys. Nagsama-sama yung mga toyo. Bahala na kayo kung anong brand sila. First Ban, Kikoman, Dato Puti. Basta mga toyo yung mga yan.
May percent ka lang. Han, asan yung...
Sa baw nila yan.
Grabe no, hindi ka kinuhaan.
May
nag-aaway ma'am, may nag-aaway.
Picture daw po. Ay, picture. Sir Bolt, dyan ka na lang.
Sige po.
Ay, kita ka ba? Ito lahat. 1, 2, 3.
With every morning light that breaks, a brand new path for us to take. With every step on sand and ground, stories of the world are found. The wind that touches on my skin reminds me where the journey begins. My heart is free and ready to roam.
Na-imagine ko yung manok eh.
Find the beauty far from home.
Tanong niya kung pwede sa mukha.
Footsteps on the riches of the world. Mountains, oceans, clouds unfurled. Every view is calling out to me to hear the voice of beauty free. Footsteps on the riches of the earth. In the dark or in the light of birth.